It's Kate with WTI. These are my Beats Solo headphones, and they are my most favorite headphones that I have ever had. First of all, they are in the matte ivory color, which I think is just beautiful. I love that they are matte, and they have kind of like, almost I want to say like rose gold kind of detailing to them. They're so pretty. I think that they are a whole look just by themselves. They have awesome amount of padding around the ears, and they also have a good amount of padding on the part that goes on your head as well, which is amazing. Of course, they are adjustable, so depending on how large you need them to be or how small, how tight, you can adjust them accordingly. They are labeled right and left, of course, to make it nice and easy for use. And they just have incredible sound quality, whether you are using them on the normal sound or if you put the noise cancellation on. The noise cancellation is incredible. It always amazes me how well that works. But really, if you want to sit and really enjoy what you are listening to, these headphones with noise cancellation is an amazing audio experience. I also appreciate that they fold up for easy storage and taking them with you on the go. I love how fast they connect to my Bluetooth, and they also on the right ear have a actual clicky button where you can go ahead and turn the volume up and down. If you are looking for an amazing pair of on-the-ear headphones, I highly recommend checking out these. They're beautiful, they're comfy, and the sound quality is amazing, but that's just my point of view.